Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Zanele. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Press that subscribe button and follow me for more. So I speak about all things education, engineering, leadership, and development. When I started this channel a couple of years ago, the intent is really to get information out there to help others walk an easier journey than what I experienced when pursuing my GCC and even some of my career milestones. And I've got content on this channel ranging between how to obtain your GCC, what are some of the pre-requirements, some of the tools and techniques that you can follow while preparing for your exams, and also some of the things to look out for post-qualification and as you walk that journey towards being GMR 2.1. I also talk about your journey towards being certified by EXA as a professional engineer. There are different choices, different routes, and a lot of different options that we can follow as engineers, whether you're a mechanical electrical engineer working in factories with your GCC, or you've got other disciplines in chemical engineering and industrial engineering or civil engineering and you want to pursue a PR eng instead. All of it depends on that end goal. What is the type of role that you see yourself in once you've completed your qualifications and are working in industry? Is it in factories? Is it in design? Is it in safety? Or is it in more corporate type roles? Because the route and the path that you decide to choose will then determine the type of qualification that you should pursue and explore. Myself being a mechanical engineer, when I was in tertiary, I was sure that I would end up either in mines or working with automotives and with vehicles. And then only when I was exposed to the world of FMCGs, or fast-moving consumer goods companies, did I realize this new world of possibilities with engineers, whether as a maintenance engineer, process engineer, a project engineer, and even improving efficiencies within production. There's so many opportunities for us as engineers, and I think it's important to have those who've walked the journey and even those who have insight sharing this information so it's not so difficult for others to access and to find. One of the other things that I'm very passionate about is on development and leadership, because as engineers, already we sign up to looking after not only equipment, but also the safety of people within the workplace, communities, society, the environment. So the level of expectation, the responsibility on an engineer is extreme and immense from the get-go. So as much as we learn all the hard skills as engineers, it's equally important that we develop and sharpen our skill set, our aptitude, and our competencies in some of the softer skills as well. Whether that's in leadership through communication, because we need to communicate our ideas, communicate our decisions, help teams with problem solving, with critical thinking, in economics and financial decisions, because we need to justify a lot of the projects that we're leading and even some of the decisions that we're making. And also how to show up and lead from the front for teams that are really looking to us for solutions. I'm very passionate about that and how we break that stereotype that engineers cannot be leaders, because we tend to make some of the best leaders when given an opportunity. So if you're interested in hearing about all things GCC, PR eng, different pillars and career paths that we've got as engineers and those with technical qualifications, whether you go to university or you go to a vocational school or TVET college, and become an artisan or technician, because without those practical skill sets, our industry would be lacking. So check out the playlist in the channel and let me know in your comments below, what are the gaps in information that you'd like me to close and share? If you haven't yet, share this video with someone who it might be useful for. Let me know in the comments what you want to hear more about. Let's keep that channel of engagement open. Looking forward to staying connected. And remember, live your best life, learn as you grow, lead for change. Ciao.